Men remain in custody after 7 guns seized in St. James by the police. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 2 persons remain in the custody of the police as investigations continue into the seizure of 7 guns, which was seized in St. James on Monday, February 28. The 2 were arrested following an operation at a warehouse on Seagrave Way, Montego Bay in the parish. It is reported that about 2:30 p.m., a joint team consisting of members of the contraband enforcement team and the police were making checks at the facility. The guns were discovered during an inspection of electronic items. The guns seized include 1 AM-15 assault rifle, 1 RR armor unit caliber rifle, 1 Ruger PC charger, 1 Kranich handgun, 1 Ruger handgun, 2 Taurus handgun. As the police continue their investigation, they are appealing to members of the public to provide them with information, as the police believe that they have dismantled a major gun trafficking ring. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.